we're just gonna click on that. Oh my gosh, that is so bright. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the Ledlenser P7R torch. So my partner got this for me as a present. I don't know, maybe Christmas, but it didn't come in the mail yet, and I'm so very excited. I've wanted one of these for a while, ever since I was with it was when I was with Fire and Rescue, and they had some of these, but they were P17, same brand, and they are just amazing. Like the holy grail of torches for me, I think. So that's why I've always wanted one ever since. And this is the box. It's quite hard. It hasn't been opened yet because there's like a seal around here. If I knock on the box, you know, it's cardboard. So I guess I'm gonna open this up for you. Declared open! Oh yeah! Gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm opening it. Ooh! Damn, that's fancy. That is fancy, girl. So here it is. Oh, so beautiful. I'll give you some close-ups there of the information. Pause the video to have a look. Yes, yes, all that good stuff. So, what do we got here? Oh my goodness, she's so sleek. Let me get a good look for you. Here we go. Have a nice little look at the torch there. Very nice, very nice. Put back. At the start, it's got a button here at the back. So I've seen that like you magnetize, this magnetizes onto the charger, and then the lens at the front here. So you can see here it's got this lock unlock on it. And what you do is you can actually unlock. So you push in and it like lights up the whole area, or if you want to spot focus, you zoom that right in and then it makes it smaller kind of thing, the spotlight. So that's a pretty cool feature right there. Then obviously if you want to keep it on that setting, you would lock it back up. So I'll see what else is in the box first. So we've got this must be the holder for it, and the charger goes in there. I've got a Ledlenser battery here. Ledlenser battery. Here's all the things not to do to the battery, and here's some information on the battery. So on the very lowest setting of the torch, it can go for like, this battery can last for like 40 hours on the very lowest setting. But obviously if you're going to use it on a higher setting, it's going to drain easier, and I don't know what the times are for that. So battery. And then let's take out this foam bit. Oh, okay, the whole thing pops out. So here's the charger cable here, which is quite heavy actually at the base. Very nice, very good. And then it's USB port, and it's got a cute little cord wrap right there. And then very nice, sleek, even streamlined. So you can stick your torch in there like so, and you can put it onto like your utility belt kind of thing. So that's good, that fits pretty well. I like it, it looks good. And then we've got some papers, Ledlenser, Facebook, follow them. We've got a instructions, warnings, warranties, and then just a kind of like a how to use it. Oh, here's the warranty here, and it has 7 years warranty, boy! That's amazing, amazing. And then Ledlenser sticker, and then these. This must be the wall mount. That's crap. I thought it was gonna come with a screw in, but it comes with 2 of these, and then you just obviously stick them onto the back, and then stick them onto wherever you want. And then last but not least, it comes with a little lanyard that you can put onto your torch. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, because I'm into it. If I can get it. Brilliant. All right. Yeah, we got it. So now you can unscrew the bottom, and this is where the battery goes in. So just a simple unscrew. Kind of looks like that on the inside, which you can't really see, so I don't know, I'm showing you. And then it's got your battery holder compartment bit. So make sure that you put the battery in correctly. Plus goes in the plus side. So I'm just gonna stick the battery in there, like so, looking good. Now, usually what I would do is, because I'm not sure like where the battery's at, so I would usually just recharge this until it's fully charged before I use it, but I'm too excited, so I'm gonna use it now. And so then after I use it, I will put it on charge and make sure that it's fully charged, because all batteries have a memory, I guess, so that if you fully charge them up at the start, then they know that that's like the time that they can be charged up. I don't know, I'm not very good at explaining. So here's the button here, which I showed you before, and we're just gonna click on that. Oh my gosh, that is so bright. Okay, so on this torch there are 3 settings. So if I click, that's the brightest. So if I click there, that's the medium setting. And then if I click again, it's the low setting. And then if I click fully, it's the brightest. And holy, you can just feel it. That is so cool. So I'll show you against the wall. Okay, so turning on, this is when you want to light up an entire area. And then if I push the torch out, this is when it spot focuses on a certain area. And that can be like 210 meters away, which is pretty spectacular. And it's also waterproof as well. Yes, so that was it. All fun and games aside, I'm going to charge it now, just using a normal USB type plug-in deal. And I'll show you what it's like when you're charging it. And turn the switch on. So it comes up with a blue light here. And so I'm going to pop that in there so that it's got a place to rest. Charging bay. And then I'm going to pop this onto charge. Okay, so it indicates that it's charging now. I'm not sure if it changes color when it's finished charging, or if it just goes red when it finishes charging, but I'm sure I'll find that out. Here's what it looks like on the charger. Pretty good, pretty darn good. So I can see and understand now why Fireys and SES and places like the mine site would use something like this. It's a great piece of kit. I'll put a box of information like all here as well, so that you can see, and links to a couple of other videos that actually do like use it at night and you can see how bright it is. And I think that's about it. I got another minimalist episode coming up next week, so stay tuned for that. I'm now going to be putting videos out every Sunday, so yeah, I guess that's it. Like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want. You're an adult, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.